I'm sure your teachers have been upset with me in the previous video about how fast and loose I was with the difference between roots and solutions and factors. Let's consider our process of solving a problem, like maybe x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, so we know that we're going to look for the factors of 15. They're 1 and 15, as well as 3 and 5, and the one of those that's going to work is the 3 and the 5. So the way to fill this in, x squared goes here, 15 goes here. I don't know what goes here and here. I only know what they add up to. They add up to 8x, and the one of those that does that is 3x and 5x. All right, so we can solve that as x plus 3 times x plus 5. Or factor it, rather, as x plus 3 times x plus 5. Okay, so there's an important thing to distinguish between the word factor and the word roots, or solution. A lot of my students have noticed that the solution to x is just the opposite sign of whatever the factors were. So in this case, the factors are the two things that multiply. Just like 3 and 3 are the two things that multiply to make 9, the two things that multiply to give you, the two binomials that multiply to give you this trinomial are x plus 3 times x plus 5. So these are the two factors of my original equation. However, they are not the solution. To find the solution, you have to go one more step. I haven't used algebra yet. I have not used algebra yet. I haven't solved this for 0. So I can set either one of these two factors equal to 0. X plus 3 could be 0, or x plus 5 could be 0. And in the process of solving those, I'm going to switch the sign from the original number that I used to solve the puzzle, positive 3, it switches to negative 3 when I find the solution or the roots. And again, I subtract 5 from both sides of this equation, I get negative 5. All right, so in a nutshell, if someone gives you the solution to the equation and you want to make the factors of the equation, you have to switch the sign as you go. Okay, so the factors, x plus 3 and x plus 5, the 3 and the 5 have opposite sign to the solution, or the roots of that equation. So if someone wanted to give you the solution to the equation, say x equals minus 3, well, in the previous example, x was equal to 5.7 and x was equal to negative 1.7. Some of you might have been yelling at your screen when I said that the correct way of factoring that was x minus 5.7 times x plus 1.7. And the reason why I switched the signs here was because the roots, or solutions, have opposite signs to the factors of the problem.